Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Very short video. We've got a Jaguar X351 3.0 TDV6 and we're just doing a oil and filter change among other things. But I just wanted to show you our new piece of equipment, 250 quid, that's all it was, oil drainer. But it plugs into the compressed air and it basically sucks out all the oil. Totally clean. You don't even touch the oil at all. Because obviously once the oil has been captured in this glass bowl, we can find out, as you can see, how many litres we've taken out, and we can put exactly the same back in again in new oil. We have had it running, hence why it's still got a bit of pressure on there, and the pressure is pulling the oil up from here, which is the dipstick, well, which was once a dipstick tube. They're not anymore. They're a digital readout for the oil level, but this is what goes on the top of it now. So what we've done is taken the top engine cover off and the oil filler cap, and we're extracting the oil. This oil has only been changed about 2,500–3,000 miles ago, but it was a year ago, so hence why we're doing it now. We're going to put top quality Castrol oil in it, exact specifications, which is C1 for this Jaguar XJ diesel, and we just thought that you'd be interested to see it. We'll get this thing turned back on again so you can see it working. However, you won't be able to hear me then because it'll be very noisy. But yeah, if you haven't got one of these and you want to do regular oil changes, which I think is necessary on these 3-litre diesels, Jaguar recommend every 6,000 miles. I'll be doing this one every 3,000 miles because of oil dilution problems with this engine. I just want to make sure that we're giving it the best chance. This has only done 22,000 miles, this car, so it deserves looking after. So the oil filters are just, you know, a few quid. They're only a paper element, which go down there. We haven't taken that out yet. We're just going to drain the oil first, then we'll do that. But yeah, as we're going to be doing this on a regular basis, this engine, so oil and filters, and other cars as well. We used to have a hand pump to draw the oil out. Just a bit of a nightmare really, and a bit messy. This thing here extracts it. Once we've measured how much has been taken out, we'll release it into the main tank at the bottom, and then again, that airline plugs. You take the airline off there and put it on there, and then it obviously comes out of that end, and you can put it in a container then and dispose of it. So it's really good, and it's also got a drainer as well on the top there for just conventional, sump plugs. So there you go, guys. We'll just have it running for a second so you can see it running, and that's just our little short video. I hope that was informative. Thanks for watching.